Chapter 1. A Curious Child in Germany. Albert Einstein was born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, to a middle-class Jewish family. As a child, he worried his parents due to signs of developmental delays, not speaking until age 3. Fascinated by a compass gifted by his father, young Albert spent hours studying it, igniting a lifelong passion for the invisible forces of the universe. Despite his curiosity, school was stifling. Strict discipline and authoritarian teachers clashed with his inquisitive nature, earning him a reputation as eccentric and friendless. Yet by age 11, he mastered university-level physics, and by 15, he excelled in calculus. Chapter 2. Rebellion and Academic Struggles. Einstein's rebellious streak emerged in high school. Frustrated by rote learning, he argued with educators and neglected his studies, achieving poor grades in non-science subjects. At 16, he left school, claiming mental health issues, and joined his family in Italy. That same year, he applied to the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, but failed the entrance exam due to weak scores in non-science subjects, despite perfect marks in math and physics. Undeterred, he retook the exam the following year and passed, proving that even geniuses don't excel in every subject. Chapter 3. Early Career and Scientific Breakthrough. After graduating in 1900, Einstein married Mileva Maric, his university sweetheart, and they had 2 sons. Struggling to find academic work, he took a job at the Swiss Patent Office. In his spare time, he immersed himself in physics research. In June 1905, at age 26, he published 4 groundbreaking papers in the Annalen der Physik, including his theory of special relativity, featuring the iconic equation E equals mc squared. This theory, suggesting that mass could be converted into immense energy, e.g. a pound of coal equaling 25 trillion kilowatt-hours, challenged Isaac Newton's established physics and catapulted Einstein to global fame. Chapter 4. Fame and Personal Challenges. Einstein's rising stardom brought invitations to teach at prestigious universities, but his modest lifestyle persisted. His family rented rooms to students to make ends meet. His marriage to Mileva deteriorated, leading to a separation in 1913. Returning to Germany, he joined the prestigious Berlin Academy of Sciences as its youngest member. In 1919, after divorcing Mileva, he married his cousin Elsa Lowenthal, finding relative happiness. However, his Jewish heritage drew hostility from German scientists, who dismissed his theories as blasphemous and blocked his Nobel Prize candidacy despite his revolutionary contributions. Chapter 5. Exile and the Nobel Prize. In 1933, as Adolf Hitler rose to power, Einstein faced grave danger. The Nazis confiscated his property, burned his papers, and placed a $5,000 bounty on his life, equivalent to about 116,000 to 120,000 USD today. Fleeing to the United States, he settled at Princeton University and became a U.S. citizen in 1940. In 1921, he finally received the Nobel Prize in Physics, not for relativity, but for his work on the photoelectric effect, due to resistance from German-dominated Nobel committees. His fame grew, but so did his sense of responsibility as World War II loomed. Chapter 6. The Atomic Age and Regret. Fearing Nazi Germany's potential to develop atomic weapons, Einstein, in 1939, co-signed a letter urging President Franklin D. Roosevelt to prioritize U.S. nuclear research. This led to the Manhattan Project, but Einstein was horrified when the U.S. dropped atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in 1945, killing 140,000 people. Plagued by guilt, he became an advocate for peace and nuclear disarmament, lamenting his role in the atomic age. His remorse shaped his later years as he grappled with the ethical implications of his scientific influence. Chapter 7, Final Years and Legacy. Einstein died on April 18, 1955, at age 76, from a ruptured aortic aneurysm. Declining surgery, he said he had fulfilled his purpose and wished to pass peacefully. His simple funeral honored his wishes, but controversy followed. His brain was removed without consent by a pathologist, sliced into 240 pieces for study. His ashes were scattered at a secret location. Beyond physics, Einstein championed human rights. Though his 1920s travel diaries revealed prejudiced views about Chinese workers, sparking debate over his legacy. In 1952, he declined an offer to become Israel's president, prioritizing his scholarly life. Chapter 8, A Genius with Humor and Humanity. Einstein's wit endeared him to many. When someone complained that relativity was hard to understand, he quipped, "An hour with your sweetheart feels like a minute, but a minute on a hot stove feels like an hour." A violin enthusiast and philosopher, he left behind profound writings, some deemed too advanced for public release. Even at 66, he corresponded with a Russian spy, blending charm with intellectual depth. Einstein's legacy, his scientific discoveries, witty aphorisms, and complex humanity, continues to inspire and provoke thought worldwide.